It's 2026. A quiet revolution is underway. All around the world, a new kind of worker is joining the labor force, the humanoid robot. These machines are already sorting packages, assembling products, and carrying heavy loads in factories and warehouses. This isn't science fiction. It's happening right now. The age of intelligent physical labor has begun, changing the world faster than most realize. In logistics centers, robots navigate aisles, pick up boxes, and prepare shipments. In car manufacturing, they work alongside humans, handling tasks that require strength and precision. Their integration has been so gradual, many haven't noticed how profound the shift is. This isn't just an experiment, it's a fundamental change, as significant as the steam engine or assembly line. From Germany to the United States, humanoid robots are becoming a global phenomenon. For years, AI lived in our computers. Now, it has a body. Robots can walk, grasp, and interact with the physical world in ways never before possible. The digital and physical worlds are merging, creating a new paradigm for productivity. We're witnessing the dawn of a new economic era, overcoming the limits of human labor. These robots are not just tools, they're agents of change, reshaping supply chains and redefining work. Understanding this revolution is the first step to navigating the changes ahead. The machines are here, and they're just getting started. Welcome to the silent march of the machines. 2025 showed us robots in labs. 2026 is the year they walked into the real world. The growth has been explosive. Deployments in commercial settings have increased tenfold in just a year. This is the inflection point. Robots are now reliable and affordable enough for mass adoption. What changed? Hardware matured, batteries improved, and, most importantly, AI took a giant leap. Robots now learn and adapt in real time, not just follow pre-programmed instructions. This year marks the birth of humanoid robots as a real, industrial category. Companies are no longer asking if they should use robots, but how many, and how fast. The shift from experiment to mass adoption is what makes this year pivotal. Think of the first personal computers or smartphones. Humanoid robots are on the same trajectory. They've crossed the threshold from novelty to necessity for many industries. This isn't just an upgrade to automation, it's a new kind of labor force. The groundwork is paying off, leading to a burst of robotic forms and functions. When technology hits this tipping point, its impact grows exponentially. The significance of this moment can't be overstated. 2026 will be remembered as the year robots truly stood up. The era of what's next has begun. A handful of companies are leading the charge in humanoid robotics. In the US, Tesla's Optimus robot is built for mass production and versatility, aiming to perform a wide range of tasks. Tesla leverages its manufacturing expertise and advanced AI from its self-driving cars. Figure AI's Figure 01 is designed for labor-intensive jobs, focusing on real-world deployment and business needs. Their partnership with BMW proves their tech is ready for prime time. Agility Robotics Digit excels at bipedal locomotion, moving boxes and navigating complex spaces like stairs. Companies like Apptronic and Norway's 1X Technologies, backed by OpenAI, are also making waves. These firms aren't just building robots, they're building platforms for a new economy of robotic skills. The real value lies in the software that lets robots learn new tasks. Just as the iPhone created an app economy, these robots will create a marketplace for robotic abilities. The competition isn't just about strength or speed, it's about intelligence and adaptability. This race is fueling rapid innovation. The titans of robotics are shaping the future of work. In 2026, China is set to dominate the robot arms race by sheer scale. The government has made robotics a strategic priority, pouring resources into R&D and manufacturing. Companies like Unitree Robotics and Fourier Intelligence are shipping tens of thousands of robots, far more than Western rivals. Their strategy achieves scale first, driving down costs and making robots accessible worldwide. Chinese robots can sell for a fraction of US-built equivalents, making them attractive globally. Every robot deployed collects data, fueling a feedback loop that makes future robots smarter. More robots mean more data, leading to rapid AI improvement and more sales. China's manufacturing power is turning robots into a commodity. This mirrors China's approach in other sectors: control the supply chain, gain leverage. The world may soon depend on China for its robotic workforce. China bets on quantity, making robots ubiquitous. The robotic dragon has truly awakened. As robotics expands, specialization is emerging. Humanoid robots fall into three main categories: work, defense, and home. The largest group is work robots, machines in factories and warehouses, built for utility and safety. Their goal: boost productivity, cut costs, and solve labor shortages. Defense robots are designed for military and hazardous environments, demanding ruggedness and autonomy. Their development raises tough ethical questions about autonomous weapons. Home robots are just beginning. Personal assistants, caregivers, and companions. These must be safe, user-friendly, and able to navigate complex homes. Their design focuses on social interaction and aesthetics. While still early, the dream of a robot in every home is moving closer to reality. Each category has unique challenges and opportunities. The future will see robots for every purpose. The real revolution in robotics is AI, the brains behind the brawn. Tech giants like Google, OpenAI, and NVIDIA are powering this leap. Google's DeepMind develops AI models like RT2, letting robots understand language and vision to perform tasks. OpenAI brings language models to robotics, enabling robots to learn new skills and reason about tasks. Their partnerships accelerate development, giving robots advanced intelligence. NVIDIA provides the hardware and software platforms, GPUs, and the Isaac platform, for training and running these AI brains. Together, these companies form the critical intelligence layer for robotics. The hardware is impressive, but it's the AI that brings robots to life. The future of robotics depends on these powerful brains. The age of intelligent machines is here. The world of robotics in 2026 is a strategic chessboard. The US and China are pursuing different strategies. The West focuses on advanced intelligent robots, quality, adaptability, and premium performance. American companies leverage AI research and software innovation to create highly capable robots. China's strategy is scale, flooding the market with affordable, good-enough robots. Their manufacturing power and government support aim for global market share. A third trend: the rise of military robotics, with both sides investing heavily in soldier-like machines. This arms race adds a dangerous dimension to the competition. The global chessboard is set: AI superiority, hardware dominance, and military robotics. Each move will shape the future of technology and global stability. The rise of humanoid robots is about power. Who controls the technology shapes the future. Nations and companies leading in robotics and AI will set the rules for the global economy and security. Widespread robot deployment will disrupt jobs. Societies must invest in education and reskilling to adapt. If control is concentrated, economic benefits and power will be unevenly distributed, risking greater inequality. Control over robots also means military advantage. Autonomous machines could reshape global security. The values embedded in AI will reflect those of its creators, democratic or authoritarian. The dominant platform will export its values worldwide. Who writes the code and builds the machines matters deeply. We must ensure this technology benefits all of humanity. The future is being written now. The robotic revolution is just beginning. The pace will only accelerate. Watch the price of humanoid robots. When they cost less than a new car, mass adoption will follow. Monitor the skills robots are learning. Complex multi-step tasks will signal a leap in AI. Look for a marketplace of robot skills where developers sell new abilities. Track deployment numbers. When companies order tens of thousands of robots, transformation is underway. Watch where robots appear next. Retail, hospitals, construction. Expansion into new sectors means the technology is maturing. Pay attention to public and government response. Laws, regulations, and ethical debates will shape the future. The convergence of low-cost hardware from China and advanced AI from the West will drive the biggest shifts. This revolution will reshape economies, societies, and the meaning of work. The changes are coming fast, the future is arriving, and it's walking on two legs. Stay tuned.